I welcome all the warriors of future and present on the channel. So friends, today the video is on Kargil Vijay Divas. In this video, we will be knowing why we celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas, what happened on this day, and why every Indian should be proud of all the Indian soldiers who laid down their lives and given the supreme sacrifice for the nation. So friends, let us find out the answer of the first question. Why we celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas? We celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas to commemorate the contribution of the armed forces and pay homage to the soldiers who have given supreme sacrifice for the nation. So let us see what has led to the situation. After 1971 war was over, Pakistan was disgraced at an international level. So it decided to take revenge from Indian side, and there were ongoing small military fights, skirmishes along the line of control. In February 1999, both the countries decided to sign the Lahore Declaration to provide a peaceful and bilateral solution to the Kashmir conflict. But in 1998-99, Pakistani troops were continuously infiltrating in Indian territory under the code name Badri. Later on, it was concluded that there were three aims of the Pakistani incursion. The first aim was to settle a link between Kashmir and Ladakh and cause the Indian forces to withdraw from the Siachen Glacier. The second aim was to internationalize the issue of Kashmir for the speedy solution. And the third aim was to boost the morale of the decade-long rebellion in the Indian state of Kashmir. So finally the war concluded after 60 days. The result was a decisive Indian victory, with India successfully taking command of the high outpost which had been lost to Pakistan. But in this process, we lost 527 Indian armed forces officers, jawans and soldiers in total. We pay homage to all the Indian armed forces, soldiers, officers and jawans who laid down their life and given supreme sacrifice for the nation. And now to answer the last question, that is why we should be proud as an Indian on this day, I would just like to give a quote, and I quote, "Our nation will remain the land of the free as long as it is the home of the brave." So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the message, and give a comment if you have any feedback query related to the video. Share it with your near and dear ones, and do subscribe to the channel if you want regular updates. Thank you.